Okay, story number 2. It's kind of, it's funny, but it's also not funny in a sense that it was said that as kids, we would be embarrassed or would be made to feel embarrassed of where we come from or where we stay. I used to be embarrassed. So I remember I had we're a group of 4 friends, and we used to call each other JPS. It was Job, Philemon, and Somizi and Sibusiso. So there used to be a cigarette called JPS. So we called ourselves JPS. And all 3 of them stayed in big houses. And I was the only one again who stayed in a 2-room house, 2-bedroom house. Yeah, 2-bedroom. Yeah, 2-room, 4-room house. Yeah. And I mean, my home did not look like, Majaba Jaba. It was just a small house, like, how RTP houses would look. Yeah, small house. So then, for the longest time of our friendship, so we used to accompany each other. So as we walked together, and then I used to be the first one to say goodbye because they carrying on, and I would turn left into my street. But my home, 1962, where I was born, was the 3rd house from the corner. So they could see it. So I went further past my my home because I was embarrassed and ashamed, and I would walk towards a big house, Gabo Stanley, which is 7-8 houses, just in case they can still see me. And then Stanley was my friend anyway, so I would open Stanley's gate and then walk in. And then if Stanley's mother is there, I would go, Stanley, but Stanley. I wait no Stanley for like 10-15 minutes. But Stanley, I wonder why Stanley didn't think, why does Somizi come before he takes his school uniform off? So I'm sure you guys can relate. I don't know, can you relate? Let me know. But yeah, that is not funny actually. It's sad. It's sad. It took me a long time I don't even think my friends knew where I stayed, or even if they knew, they did not confront me for the longest time.